Hi students, good morning everyone. Today let us see exercise 5.1 question number 8. Let P of 11,7, Q of 13.5, 4 and R of 9.5, 4 be the midpoints of the sides AB, BC and AC respectively of triangle ABC. Find the coordinates of the vertices A, B and C. Hence, find the area of triangle ABC and compare with the area of triangle PQR. It's such a very big problem, but it's very easy. So, let us first draw a triangle ABC. First, write solution. Solution, draw a triangle. So, take the vertices as A, B and C. This is not given, we have to find them. And P is the midpoint of AB, Q is the midpoint of BC and R is the midpoint of JC, it is given. So the point P is 11, 7, Q is 13.5, 4 and R is 9.5, 4. And what is X? A, B and C. So let us take the points as x1, y1 as coordinates of A and B coordinates are x2, y2 and C coordinates of x3, y3. Now first let me take P is the midpoint of AB. Now let me join these three. Now after finding these coordinates, I want to find the area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR. Then compare the two. Now, let me take P is the first. P is the midpoint of the side AB. So now A and B coordinates are here. Look at the diagram and write. So what is the midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So P is the midpoint. So coordinates of P is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 using midpoint formula. y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So which is equal to, what is the coordinates of P? It is given 11.7. Now equating the coordinates, x coordinate to x coordinate, that is first number to first number. Equate these two. So x1 plus x2 is equal to, divide by 2 is equal to 11. Now cross multiply, we are getting x1 plus x2 is equal to 22. So this is equation number 1. And take second coordinate, y coordinate to y. So y1 plus y2 divided by 2 is equal to 7. So y1 plus y2 is equal to 14. This is equation number 2. Then take Q is the midpoint of the side BC, that is x2, y2 and x3, y3. So I can write the midpoint formula. Instead of x1 and x2, use x2 and x3. So x2 plus x3 divide by 2, y2 plus y3 divide by 2. And the coordinate of Q is 13.5, 4. 13.5, 4. Now equating the coordinates. So x2 plus x3 divided by 2 is equal to 13.5. Cross multiply, we are getting x2 plus x3 is equal to 13.5 into 2 is 27. So this is equation number 3. And take these y coordinates equal. So it is y2 plus y3 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Cross multiply, y2 plus y3 is equal to 8. So this is equation number 6. and then take next R is the midpoint. Now take R. R is the midpoint of the side AC. So now once again use midpoint formula. R is equal to x1 plus x3 divided by 2 is equal to the coordinates of R. Now comma. Then y coordinate is y1 plus y3 divided by 2. So which is equal to the R coordinates are 9.5 comma 4. 9.5 comma 4. Now equating these coordinates x. So x1 plus x3 divided by 2 is equal to 9.5. Cross multiply. We are getting x1 plus x3 is equal to 9.5 into 2 is 19. So this is equation number 1, 2, 3. Sorry, this is equation number 4. This is equation 3, 4 and this is 5. And take that y coordinates equal. So y1 plus y3 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Cross multiply. y1 plus y3 is equal to 8. So this is equation number 6. Now look at this equations. All the x coordinates are in odd number of equation. Equation 1, 3 and 5. Look at this x1 and x2. x2 plus x3, x1 plus x3. All x coordinates. All y coordinates are in a equation. They are in even number of equations. y1 plus y2 equal to 14. y2 plus y3 equal to 8. y1 plus y3 equal to 8. Now let us solve these equations by using elimination method. Now take first equation. So what is the first equation? It is x1 plus x2 is equal to 22. Then take third equation. Third equation is x2 plus x3. x2 plus x3. So write x2 terms here, x3 plus x3. So here no x3 term, so add 0. So which is equal to? Which is equal to x2 plus x3 is equal to 27. Here no x1 term, so add 0. எந்த term இல்லையோ அதுக்கு பதிலா 0 add பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Now go to elimination method. Change the sign. Now I am going to subtract these two equations. Equation 1 minus equation 3. So take a sign change. Plus changes to minus, minus changes to plus. And now take this as x1. x1 minus 0 is x1. Plus x2 minus x2 cancel. 0 minus x3 is minus x3 is equal to minus 27 plus 22 is minus 5. So x1 minus x3 is equal to minus 5. So and now first two equations we have taken, then take a 50 equation. So what is the 50 equation? x1 plus x3 is equal to 19. So x1 plus x3 is equal to 19. So now here is the different sign. So we have to add the equation now. So now add these two equations. Adding. So cancelling x3 and x3. x1 plus x1 is 2x1 is equal to 19 minus 5 is 14. So x1 is equal to 14 divided by 2 equal to 7. So x1 is equal to 7. Then after getting this 7, go to first equation. So take first equation. What is first equation? x1 plus x2 is equal to 22. Now substitute this value of x1. What is x1? 7. 7 plus x2 equal to 22. So which implies x2 is equal to 22. Bring this 7 this side, minus 7. So 22 minus 7 is 15. So x2 is equal to 15. Now after getting this x2, substitute in third equation. So 1, 3, 5. Once again 1, 3. Now take third equation. So systematically you can do. So what is third equation? x2 plus x3 is equal to 27. Now substitute x2 value here. So it is 15 plus x3 is equal to 27, which implies x3 is equal to 27 minus 15. So x3 is equal to 12. So x3 is equal to 12. So the same way we can find out y1, y2 and y3. So similarly, now here I have taken all the odd number of equations. So I have got x1, x2 and x3. Now take even number of equations and then you can get y1, y2, y3. So take even number. Second equation. First take a second equation. So what is the second equation here? Second equation is y1 plus y2 is equal to 14. y1 plus y2 is equal to 14. And take fourth equation. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth equation. What is fourth equation? Once again we will get y2 and y3. So instead of y1, 0 plus y2, and here you write instead of y3, 0. So plus y3 is equal to y2 plus y3 is equal to 8. Now subtract these two equations. So second equation minus fourth equation, which gives. Now change the signs. So y1 minus 0 is y1. Plus y2 minus y2 cancel. 0 minus y3 is minus y3 is equal to 14 minus 8 is 6. So y1 minus y3 is equal to 6. And then take sixth equation. So what is sixth equation? y1 plus y3 is equal to 8. So y1 plus y3 is equal to 8. Now here different signs. So we are adding the equation. So which implies. So when adding this equation, y3 cancel. y1 plus y1 is 2y1 is equal to 6 plus 8 is 14. So therefore y1 equal to 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. So y1 equal to 7. Now after getting y1, here we went to first equation, here go to second equation. So second equation becomes y1 plus y2 equal to 14. Now substitute y1 value here, 7 plus y2 equal to 14. So which implies y2 equal to 14 minus 7 equal to 7. So y2 equal to 7. x1, y1, x2, y2. Now we want x3, y3. So for that take fourth equation. So orderly you can take second then fourth. The fourth equation is y2 plus y3 is equal to 8. Now substitute value of 7. Sorry, y2. y2 is 7 plus y3 is equal to 8, which implies y3 is equal to 8 minus 7 equal to 1. So y3 is equal to 1. See, side by side we have got x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Now let us write the coordinates of x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. So let me write here. So a of x1 comma y1 is equal to 7 comma 7, and b of x2 comma y2 is equal to 15 comma 7, and c of x3 comma y3 is equal to 12 comma 1. Now let me draw the triangle once again. So A, B, C, here P, Q, R. So join these three. Now P is 11 comma 7, it is 13.5 comma 4, it is 9.5 comma 4, it is given. Now we have found out A. A is 7 comma 7, B is 15 comma 7, C is 12 comma 1. Now find the area of triangle ABC at first. So area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of x1 y2. See, instead of writing like this, I write like this: x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x1 y1 square units. Take a cross multiply. See, to remember this, we can have a funny idea. First it is raining. First x1 y2. First raining. Arrow down. Raining. Then taking umbrella. Arrow up. Okay. Then area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of, take the point 7, 7. So what is B? 15 and 7. What is C? 12, 1. Once again you write 7, 7. So find the area, modulus of. See, first raining from top to bottom. So 7 sevens are 49. 15 into 1, 15 plus 15. 12 sevens are 84. Bracket closed. Now take a minus sign, bracket open. Now it is raining, so take the umbrella. So 15 sevens are 7 5s are 35, 105 plus 7 12s are 84 plus 1 7 is 7. So it is equal to 1 by 2. Now add these 3. 4, 9, 18, balance 1, 9, 10, 4, 148 minus 7, 11, 16, balance 1, 9, 1, 196 is equal to 1 by 2. Now subtract from here to here, so we are getting minus here. 16 minus 8 is 8, then it is 8, 8 minus 4 is 4, 1 minus 1 is 0. So since it is in modulus, we can take 1 by 2 into, remove the modulus and take positive sign, plus 48. So cancel this with the 2 table, we are getting 24 is equal to 24 square units. So area of triangle ABC is 24 square units is the result. Now take area of triangle PQR. So straight away let me go to the numbers instead of writing this formula. So the coordinates of P are 11 and 7 and Q is 13.5 and 4 and R coordinate is 9.5 and 4. And once again you take 11 and 7. Now multiply this, cross multiply. First remaining 11 4s are 44 plus 4 5s are 20.2, balance 2, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, balance 1, 4 1 is 4 plus 1, 5, 54. plus 9.5 into 7. 7 5s are 35, balance 3 point. 7 9s are 63, 66.5. So bracket closed and take a minus sign, bracket open, then taking umbrella. 13.5 into 7. 13.5 into 7 is, let me multiply and tell you the answer. 94.5. Plus 4 into 9.5 is 38. Plus 4 into 11 is 44. Bracket closed, take a modulus. So which is equal to 1 by 2. And I add these three numbers. Let me get the answer is 164.5 minus. Add the other three numbers. I am getting the answer 176.5. Now subtract. Subtracting from here to here, I am getting minus 12. So now remove the modulus. The answer is 1 by 2 into 12. So when I reducing this, so I am getting the answer 6. So area of triangle PQR is equal to 6 square units. Now we have to compare this with the area of triangle PQR. So area of triangle PQR is compared to area of triangle ABC is equal to 24. This 24 can be written as 4 into 6. 4 6 are 24. So it can be written as area of triangle ABC is equal to 4 times into what is 6? 6 is the area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle PQR. So hence it is proved. So this is the comparison between these two triangles. So it's a very big problem, but it's very simple. First to find the coordinates of x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Then find the area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR. Compare the two. We are getting the answer. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 4 times of area of triangles PQR. That's all. Thank you all.